what's up, y'all? It's Tamara. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and this is your first time clicking on this video or any of my videos, I appreciate you for stopping by. I hope this video gives you what you need, enough to click that subscribe button. On my channel, I love to create and post all kinds of DIY home organization, cleaning motivation, as well as just other things that come to mind that I feel like I need to share. I try to create just simple cleaning motivation or lifestyle motivation for the average woman who likes to do things herself. That's basically what I like to do. So I hope that you like content like that, and if you do, I would love for you to stick around and join my YouTube family. So if you are returning to my channel, I really appreciate you guys. Just thank you so much for supporting me and watching my content. And also, please give me a thumbs up if you have been enjoying my content and you enjoy the content in this video as well. I just want to make sure that I'm giving you guys what you are interested in as well as myself, but I want to make sure that you guys are getting what you need from me. That's the whole point of this. So that's motivation for me as well. So thank you so much again for clicking on. Let's get into this motivation.
But I gotta try.
So I'm starting off in my kitchen today. We have lots of dishes that need to be washed. So I'm gonna get those dishes pre-washed and put in the dishwasher. So this jar is actually a jar that we have from our olive oil. So I'm just gonna take the label off because I like to reuse some jars and containers and old candle holder glass for DIY projects and sometimes decor. So I'm not sure if you guys do that. Leave it in the comment section if you reuse some pretty jars and stuff like that for other areas of your home.
My love was lost when you came and took it all. My mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out. Don't go, just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. How can I love you when you...
So to clean the countertops, I'm just gonna use what I usually use every day, which is the Method Daily Granite Cleaner. I've been looking for the fall scents from Mrs. Meyer's. I've only been able to look up and find a mum scent. I'm not even sure if that's one of the fall scents, but I love it. It smells so good. I used to use Mrs. Meyer's before, but then I got stuck on the lime and sea salt scent from Method, and I just didn't go back. But I am happy that I was able to find some mums, so I am in search for some of the other fall scents that I can incorporate this fall.
Don't go, just leave. No, stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just leave. No, stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up.
So while cleaning over in this area, I noticed that some of the cabinets just looked a little dingy, had some spots on them. So I'm just gonna give those a quick clean to get rid of those spots and stuff. Because I have white cabinets, I have to clean these just about all the time. It doesn't happen all the time, but of course when I notice it, I like to go ahead and take care of it. Trash can. So I've been looking for this trash can. Well, not looking for it, but just kind of price matching it, trying to find the best deal. So I was able to find it. I think I ended up paying like $40 some and some change for it. The thing is that when I purchased it, it had went down to like, I forgot what it was, but the total came out to like $50 and some change. So I was like, okay, that's a good deal. But then the next day, the very next day, the price dropped again, and it was like $34 or something like that. So I ended up canceling that order because they hadn't shipped it yet. and then reordering it for the new price. And I was so happy I did. Like I stated before in some videos, that I had like the other trash can that just had the little handle that you lift, and with my boys and we have people over and have stuff going on, that doesn't always happen. It's easier to just use the flip. If you have one, then you know what I'm talking about. I can't really explain it, but because of that, it just leaves my trash can all grimy and dirty, and food gets stuck in the handle where you're supposed to lift, but we're pushing it instead. I know it's confusing, so it was just more work, and that I wanted to give myself with having to clean that trash can all the time, and then it was just unsanitary to me. But anyway, so I was happy I was able to find it, and I wanted to link it on Instagram for you guys, but when I went back the very next day to do that, the price had gone up again. So I'm not sure why the price keeps fluctuating, but if I find it, I would definitely link it over on Instagram. So if you are in need of a trash can like this, or had the one that I had and you are starting to be frustrated like me, then definitely frequent the Walmart app for this trash can. And like I said, it's the Mainstays brand. It is the motion sensor or whatever, and it's definitely worth it. So now we're in the family room. There's a lot going on in here. We spend a lot of time in here, and I also use this space to work from home sometimes. That's why you see my computer sitting over here. So then, of course, I can spend time with my family as well during the day. I think this day was maybe a day or so before we started our virtual learning. So we have stuff just everywhere. We've just been, because we know it's going to be crazy, just haven't been doing a whole lot, just spending a lot of time together. So of course this is a result of that. So I'm just going to go ahead and dust everything off, dust the tables off, and then fluff the pillows and vacuum, and then we will move on. Speaking of virtual learning, have your kids started virtual learning at home, or are they doing traditional and virtual learning, or are they doing just traditional? Here where we are, our kids' schools, they both decided to just do virtual learning to gauge the cases for the first 9 weeks. So yeah, basically they've just dumped the whole school in my house. I mean, so they're basically changing classes virtually, Zooming with all their teachers with like 10-minute breaks in between, and then lunch as well. And then our youngest, he even has PE via Zoom where he's working out and all that kind of stuff. So it's just crazy trying to manage all of this. And shout out to all the teachers. I know this is hard for you guys as well, because you are trying to create a hands-on experience virtually. So I can only imagine, but I will say that the teachers have been very creative in how they have been, handling it or whatever. So, but for the parents, I know how you feel. If you're like me, you're a working mom and you got kids that are doing Zoom at home and you're trying to manage a household, them and everything else in between. I know it's rough, but we will get through it.
What's taking so long for you to come through? Tell me why, I just wanna know.
So I'm gonna do just a quick clean here in the master bedroom. I always like to make my bed, even if it's the evening time. I wake up before everyone, and then my husband's schedule, he wakes up a little bit after, and I cannot say every morning that he makes up the bed. So, and if I'm working and helping the kids out or whatever the case may be, I don't necessarily come in here and make up the bed. Sometimes I do it on my lunch. Most of the times I just wait till I get a break later on or when I get off of work, because I like to go to bed with a bed that has been made. I know. So I'm just gonna tidy up the bedroom. And fold that load that you saw me get out of the dryer.
I just wanna know what's taking so long for you to come through. Tell me why. I just wanna know what's taking so long for you to come through. 'Cause girl, you got me feeling anxious, anxious. Girl, you got me feeling anxious, anxious. It's been so long since it was just. Why don't you come over, baby? I just want you to hold me. Anxious, 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 anxious.
So right now I'm just gonna fold up the laundry, and of course, the fitted sheet always gives me trouble. And then I was just tired, so I needed the help. So my husband helped me fold this up. It just made it a whole lot easier. I wish we could just do it like that all the time. So that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys being here. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. It lets me know that I'm on the right track, and it also helps my channel. Share my channel out to others who you think would enjoy. Also subscribe if you have not. I would really love for you to. It doesn't cost you anything. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great week. I'll see you in my next video.